Hi, my name is Weston Pins with Painted Sky Designs, and today we'll be assembling our two-tone tube steel park bench. And this is Kristen Dietzel with Painted Sky Designs, and she'll be assisting me today. So the first step is just obviously open up the box here. Inside the top box, you'll notice you get your back casting in your seat. Then underneath there, you'll find your two side frames. And within one of the boxes, you'll find your assembly instructions along with your hardware kit and tools for assembly. As you're opening up all your parts, you'll notice everything is boxed up, and it is handy just to lay out the cardboard to prevent any scratching on the pavers or your concrete. Just anything you don't want to scratch off the powder coating while you're assembling. So much like our cast iron bench, what we'll do is grab your seat portion of the bench, and you'll notice with the tube steel versions, they are side specific, so you'll have to make sure and put the left side on the left side of it. There's a little bit of an indent here on the inside. Just make sure that's the piece that goes on connects to the bench. The outside portion of it should be flush. You'll have a long set of bolts and a short set of bolts. When you're assembling the side frame to the seat, you'll use the shorter of the two. You'll notice in the hardware kit with the two-tone tube steel bench, there's no washers or locking nut. It's not necessary with this one since we have threaded inserts for assembly. So you just pop the bolt down, and again, just hand tighten everything. So once you have the one side frame done, just like the other ones, you'll flip it upside down, just like this. Grab your other side frame, and again, just make sure the flush portion of this side frame is on the outside. You don't want to tighten it all the way down because you want to give yourself a little bit of wiggle room when you attach your back casting. Okay, now we can stand it up. Now it's time to attach the back casting to this. And again, it's the same thing. On each side, you'll notice a threaded insert. So you'll just take the longer of the bolts, and just hold it there. Just line them up with the holes here. Put your bolt through from the outside. It's easier just to get them started so then you can let it rest. Okay, now that all the bolts are attached and it's on a level surface, then you can go ahead and tighten the rest of the bench down with the Allen wrench included, and that's all this bench takes is just 8 bolts. Once you got your final bolt tightened down, it's always a good idea to go through the rest of them and just give them an extra turn, and then it's good for use. And after a couple of uses, it's always a good idea to go back through and retighten everything down once everything's been settled.